Hello there, and welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. I have this little, I call it kind of a miniature size paperback book that I keep close to my desk all the time, and it's called 365 Marketing Meditations, Daily Lessons from Marketing and Communications Professionals. And it's by Richard Levick and Larry Smith. Richard sent this to me a while back. I don't know, maybe some of you were sent a copy as well, but the one I'm going to share with you today is meant for January 11th. They're all they all have days of the year, but it doesn't really matter, does it? So on January 11th, and I want you to listen to this because it has some application for all of us in professional services as well. And it goes like this. Coca-Cola asks all its sales staff and executives, how is what you are doing today going to help sell this beverage? Let me say that again. How is what you are doing today going to help sell this beverage? In the professional services, many people forget their mission. And when I read that, it resonated because that really is a question that we should all ask ourselves. And we might interpret it by saying, how is what I am doing today going to help sell what I do for a living, or how is it going to help sell this firm? And I would add, as the title suggests, a few more bubbles to that. And I would say that's not the only question. It's not the only thing to consider. The other thing to consider is, how can I make someone's life better today? And that doesn't always mean that we're trying to sell ourselves or sell the firm, does it? It just means that part of our mission, part of our goal in this life really is to see how we can make a situation or make someone else's life better, because it's not always about selling. But that quote very much has to do with our lawyers and the business staff as well. And again, we could interpret it this way. The firm asks all of its lawyers and business professionals every day, how is what you are doing today going to help sell what you do or what the firm does, or how is it going to make someone's life better? So what do you think about that? Let me know. I think that applies to us, doesn't it? Consumer goods sometimes has very close parallels to what we do in professional services marketing. All right. Well, I'm Nancy Myrland with Legal Marketing Moments. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions or a comment about this, then if you're in a place where you can leave a comment, do so. If not, email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. And that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right. Until next time, take care.